Okay, a career in nutrition, including human connection. That means you need to see patients, and sometimes you need to deal with people to make program, and some of these people actually not in related in nutrition field. So you need to connect to other related program. For example, sometimes you need to deal with nurse, with doctor. So all is a different background. So in my opinion, you must understand how to deal with people. The this covers actually communication effectively with people, how to lead, and time management. As I said before, I am fortunate to have a opportunity to work in a variety of field. Back then, we didn't have so much opportunities when we are graduating. So I worked for a while with a general nutrition center. I think now it's called LAC, if I'm not mistaken. So, but working with GNC is more on business hours. That means you need to work 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Even holiday, you didn't get to have holiday during the weekends. You can take your leave during the weekdays. So this actually, I find out that I'm think that I'm not suitable with this kind of um, working environment. So at one point, I decided to not to continue with GNC. So I apply for management position at Majlis Sukan Negara. So even though it's actually out of the related field, however, in Majlis Sukan Negara, I learned a lot, especially when I'm taking charge on athlete welfare. So in this position, I was able to develop a skill in dealing with people, including communication with peers, staff, bosses, politician. So all these people actually you need to have a different level of communication. For example, because I'm quite young back then, and then uh, uh, but at the same time, I'm is the only officer that available during that day. So most of the time, I will be handling all the top management communication with them. So for me, it's a gap between me and the top management. So for me, it's really slow my pace, and then I need to really take my time to really understand what actually they want. So in communication, you need to listen, and then you need to give feedback on what the instruction being given. So that actually really helped me to have this kind of background on communications. So when I enter nutrition field, it's really helped me in dealing with this kind of management. So even though it's not related, but somehow it's like something that really helped me currently. Yeah. Mentioned before, basically you need to connect with people, in my opinion lah. You can really obtain information if you have a large of networking. So with this, you can simply get an information or opportunity, maybe such as a nutrition course or conference or seminar. And aside that, I like to follow specific influencer on social media. And some of these influencers actually have a very good video and give you a really easy understand what the current situation is about. For example, when now I'm currently doing my PhD, so I really need to know how to look for good quality of papers, how to write the papers. So I follow one of the influencer. Actually, it helped give me information about this matter. For example, AI that maybe helps you to write paper, how to easily get high cited paper, something like that. So this actually the easy way to keep you update on your professional, and at the same time is give you a much more easier task to do lah, something like that. As a nutritionist, it's important to have excellent communication skills. Again, so basically tonight is about communication skills in order to effectively convey dietary recommendation and educate clients on healthy eating habits. Additionally, you need to have a strong interpersonal skill, can help build trust and rapport with client, leading to better outcome and adherence to dietary plans. Another important soft skill, empathy. as it's allow them to really understand and relate to the client and struggle with the food and health. So you need to make sure that you understand what your client facing. So put yourself in them shoes, and by then actually you can really advise them based on what current situation that they have. That today graduates lack patience in their works. They want to see quick result and earn more. Uh, it's fine to have high aspirations and a strong drive for achievement, but you must give yourself time to truly study and absorb everything at this moment. So only by doing so you can progress. I also believe that they lack the soft skill that I mentioned earlier. Like for example, like I said before, is communications, which is ability to deal with people lah. So this includes a wide variety of skills as communication, leadership, and problem solving. Mostly due to the fact that none of this is really taught in the university. Participating in a university program, such maybe club or any athletic activity, is the only way to get the necessary knowledge for learning it. I am fortunate to have a wonderful family and friends. So when I'm stressed, I usually talk to them. Sometimes we just talk about the situation. So it's actually open up the option that I can do. Perhaps because we are so focused on the issues, sometimes we need a fresh eye to really look at the problem. You need to surround yourself with positive people. So it is preferable to have a small circle of friends with a positive traits rather than a large circle of friends who do not want to help you. So keep these people close. So this will serve as your support system. Uh, and religion is highly important to me as a Muslim. So I feel that dua, early morning prayers, and will assist to relieve the tension. We sometimes forget that actually God are the one who in charge of these people. So instead of praying to the God, we usually try to please human, and this has result far more dissatisfaction because these folk do nothing about it. But if you pray to God and let it all out, you will know that He will help you, and even if He does not, you will know that it is best for you. What happened currently? So in this, with this type of attitude, I think is give me peace. So I really it's because you don't really expected something from someone, but you really what you have is your faith to God. So actually that really helped you to really calm yourself to be less stressed compared to when you are hoping for people to do something for you. I believe that we should put our words into action. So we talk about physical activity, eating healthy. So definitely we need to practice what we preach. But having a fit, structured body is unquestionably advantageous. It will boost your confidence, and this will actually increase people trust in what you do. However, keep in mind that this will require a significant amount of your time and effort to maintain. You don't want to spend the majority of time on this and miss out on other opportunities. So attempt to strike a balance. I believe that having a healthy body is sufficient enough.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Mhm.